In this video, let's understand the difference between element and compounds. Compounds are represented by their chemical formula. For example, salt is represented by the formula NaCl. Elements are represented by symbols and numbers. For example, sodium is represented by Na. Compounds are distinguished by their fixed ratio of different elements arranged in a defined manner, whereas elements can be distinguished by their atomic number. In the case of compounds, the same type of molecules make up the compound, and in case of elements, only one type of atoms makes up the elements, and all the property of that element are represented by its atom. Compounds can be easily separated into simpler substance by chemical reaction. Elements cannot be broken down by chemical reaction.